Well, the news that fan favorite Reggie Wayne would soon be gone prompted an immediate response from Colts Nation. Eyewitness News reporter Mary Mills is live downtown with that part of the story. Mary.
Stand by.
Well, whether it's here at the stadium or in person, Reggie Wayne has always been larger than life among fans, and today he was definitely a hot topic of conversation.
This is one of those things that I think we knew was a possibility.
Not surprisingly, the news of Reggie Wayne has been the talk of talk radio.
I do believe that Reggie Wayne feels he has football left in him.
The phones lit up during the Query and Schultz show.
What are your thoughts on it? Are you mad at Jim Irsay? Are you mad at Ryan Grigson?
Over lunch at the Colts Grill,
I can't believe why did they leave Reggie go?
some fans like John Vivoli were just finding out.
Who did they replace him? What's the story? Why did they let him go?
At a place that celebrates everything Colts, most fans were sad the veteran receiver was done, but not all that shocked.
We all knew that day was coming. It just came a little bit sooner than I think people expected, but I pray that he retires a Colt.
He connected with the fans. His work profile, his hard work, and going to the end zone, and everybody and Reggie and stuff is going to be a major blow.
The fact that Wayne was let go nearly 3 years to the day Peyton Manning wasn't lost on Steve Davidson.
You just don't see the loyalty with the ownership and the teams and the franchises as you used to see, where players would play for their entire career with one team. It just doesn't happen that way anymore. It's kind of unfortunate to see that, because you really get tied in with the players within a community, and to see them then leave and go to another team and finish out their career, it's disappointing for the fans.
Still, number 87 won't be forgotten anytime soon.
Well, he gave it all. He wasn't, if he was hurting, no matter what, he'd get out there, okay? And he wouldn't complain that much. I mean, he produced.
He'll leave some big shoes to fill, there's no question. It wasn't just his athletic skill, it was his character. He was a good man.
And after the news broke today, the folks here at the Pro Shop said they did get several calls from fans wanting to make sure they had plenty of 87 merchandise left, and they say they do. We'll have much more fan reaction tonight at 6. Live outside Lucas Oil Stadium, Mary Mills, Channel 13 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Mary, thank you so much. Well, as soon as fans heard the news, the tributes to Reggie started pouring in on social media, and we've put together some of our favorites on WTHR.com. We've also compiled a slideshow of Reggie's greatest moments, and there are many. You can also leave a comment on the story to share your memories or just say thank you. Just click on the story on our homepage at WTHR.com.